Listen carefully. I'm about to reveal a stunning business secret about your mobile phone and the apps you have inside. After now, you'll be able to engage your customers better and even explode your business. But first of all, let me ask you a question. Did you know that in 2017, the total number of mobile app downloads was 197 billion, and it's projected to jump to a stunning 352 billion in 2021? It's a lot of downloads, you'll say, but that's not all. According to statistics, 9 in 10 adults in the U.S. own a cell phone, and 61% of these phones are smartphones. 2 in 3 smartphone users use at least one mobile app every day. Mobile app usage is growing so fast that it's gradually taking over everything, including business and marketing. Actually, mobile app is the future, and there's no kidding on this. Consumers are looking for more convenient means to interact and buy from their favorite brands. And for any business, owning a mobile app guarantees that your customers will stay glued to that business. And of course, this is what every business needs. Imagine walking on the road with your mobile phone and you're checking out new products from your favorite clothing shop online, or reading the latest notification from your favorite brand, doing all these right on the go. Imagine the ease and satisfaction you get doing this compared to using a computer. Your customers feel the same way too. Customers need a more convenient and easy way to connect with different brands online and get solutions to their problem. This is why the big brands are using mobile apps to reach out to customers and sell their products. In fact, over 80% of business owners have indicated interest that they would love to have a mobile app for their business. But shockingly, only 58% of small businesses actually own a mobile app. And the real problem is this: owning a mobile app doesn't come cheap. Building a mobile app can be very expensive and challenging, especially when you have no knowledge of how to go about it. An average mobile app developer can charge up to $3,000 to build a simple mobile app, and that's if you find the skilled ones. Most app developers are just freelancers with limited knowledge of how an app is done. They will end up building apps that are non-user friendly. You might even have to wait for weeks or even months before your mobile app project is complete. Building the app yourself is not even an option to consider unless you have the required skill and technical knowledge. Truth is, it takes a lot of effort and even time to build a mobile app, and that's if you know how it's done. There are a lot of stages that go into an app building process. Even the simplest of apps takes time to build. Long hours of planning, research, design. Unless you're experienced like our team, you'll have lots of challenges doing it on your own or hiring just anybody to do it. But imagine you could get a team of seasoned professionals to help you build a mobile app for your business, completely functional and easy to use. Planning, research, development, and designs, everything is carefully done with accuracy to meet your goal. Now, stop imagining, because our expert team of mobile app developers have got you covered. As a team, we are committed to helping our clients win in their businesses by building the best app solutions to increase customer engagement and brand experience. We have helped clients from different industries in growing their business more than they expected. And we believe we can grow your business the same way we did theirs. With our team of agile thinkers that is made up of specialists in different stages of building a mobile app, initial planning, UI, UX design, app development, testing, we are capable of handling any project, no matter the size. Unlike other app developers, we are not just concerned about building a mobile app for your business. No, we are customer focused. We are concerned about how users will interact with the app. So we take out time to research and decide what the user wants and needs are, and then we implement them into your app. From native applications to progressive web apps, we tick all the boxes on any project from start to finish. And that's not all. We understand that businesses evolve, so we build our mobile apps to evolve and accommodate future changes in your business. Even after delivering the project, we will always be there to support you and maintain your app whenever you call. We understand you're busy, so we wouldn't want to waste your time. Contact us now and let's get started on your app project.
Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you discover how to start managing a successful business by working with the right clients the right way. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in everything. About all the information linked below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.